themes or characteristics. Right. Tradition explained, understood sociologically on the basis of four characteristics, four themes, or four features. First is hierarchy. Second, holism. HOLISM, holism. Or, yeah, hierarchy, holism, transcendence. Transcendence and continuity. Hierarchy, holism, transcendence, and continuity. Right. Good. ये आपका स्ट्रक्चर है इंस्टीट्यूशन से राइट in every aspect of society or every aspect of society reflected some hierarchy, right? Like in society, in European society, traditional European society, hierarchical arrangement of the people in state system. First state, second state, and third state. First state constituted of nobility, right? Bishops, archbishops, right? Authorities of church, right? Second state, the feudal lords, right? Lords of lords. They're also further classified. I will discuss it further in tomorrow or today after this. Third state constituted of commoners, workers, agriculturists, traders, merchants, third state, right? Hierarchical arrangement of the society. In Indian society too, hierarchy. Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishnavas, Shudras, later on, hierarchy of castes, right? Many hierarchies actually, right? Not only, the larger social system or this stratification, hierarchy is reflected in stratification, but also in the family. Hierarchy, men and women, men superior, women inferior. Men or the male child in traditional society had better life choices than the women, right? And because of continuity of tradition, still we see, right, in rural society, rural Indian society, in villages, still majority of the families, this inequality continues, right? The hierarchy continues, right? Hierarchy basically inequality, right? Not only family inequality, division of labor, unequal division of labor. Like women used to work in the family, for example, women used to work in the family, expressive roles performed by women, and men in the public sphere, instrumental role by men. Traditional. This is aspect of tradition actually. Even if it is continuing in today's society, the majority of women are domesticated in Indian society. So that is basically aspect of tradition, not quantity. In modern society, modern institutions, modern values, they facilitate or provides for equal opportunity to both men and women, right? But tradition somehow continues in today's society also, particularly in Indian society or Indian subcontinent, right? So, either we have to discuss, concept, right? So hierarchy reflected in the society in form of stratification, then family, then economy, in polity also. What we see, like women are represented today, 50% reservation is there for women in Panchayati Raj institution, in local self-government, but decisions are taken by men. That is a reflection of inequality, hierarchy, men dominance continues in political sphere, in local self-government. low representation in state assemblies or low representation in parliament, that is also reflective of inequality hierarchy, right? Somewhere in political sphere also, inequality is continues, right? In education also, inequality we see hierarchy, like higher status had better life chances, isn't it? Higher class had better life chances, right? For education or skill development or entrepreneurship than the people in lower strata, isn't it? So this is like there are also, Atom report also suggests in India the quality there is inequality in quality of education also, hierarchy in quality of education also, CBSE education and government school education, right? It is different actually, right? Further religion, in religion too, what we see, inequality, hierarchy, right? Suddenly in religious sphere, in churches actually, or in medieval church, medical society in church may, like there was hierarchy, bishops, archbishops, right? There was in the lowest hierarchy there was parish priests, and those priests were responsible for all the activities of church, right? They were exploited a lot in that religious institution, and so in other religions also, right? So hierarchy has been the important feature, is important feature or theme or characteristics of tradition. Similarly, holism. This is opposite. Holism as a feature is opposite to the feature of modern society called individualism. Modern society is characterized by individuation, individualism. In traditional society, individuals were totally engulfed in the collectivity. Holism, or आप इसको कह सकते हैं collectivity, right? Individuals were totally involved in collectivity. Individuals had no choice related to marriage, economy, quality, education. Collectivity used to take decision, right, in traditional society, right? As we, for beauty of tradition is there, in our society we see collectivity, involved in decisions of marriage. Collectivity involved in कि बेटा क्या करेगा, इंजीनियर बनेगा, आईएएस बनेगा, डॉक्टर बनेगा, राइट? कलेक्टिविटी, इधर अच्छा मार्क्स आया नहीं किसी को क्लास 10 में कि बस सभी नेबरहुड विल कम एंड रिलेटिव्स विल स्टार्ट कॉलिंग क्योंकि he has got 98% marks in class 10th, he will become IAS, right? He wants to become scientist, but relatives will start saying and putting pressure he will become IAS. Collectivity. So that is continuation of tradition. Otherwise, the feature of modern society, individualism. Individual will take decisions what he has to do, right? As per his interest and orientation, isn't it? Right. So this is holism. Total engulfment, right? In traditional society, individuals were engulfed, right? Collectivity used to take decision related to marriage. Okay, and in case of marriage outside the caste or outside religion, collectivity used to enforce the specific values, specific laws, honor killing, right? So honor killing the feature is also related to tradition. That is not modern actually, right? Okay. Transcendence. Transcendence means like in traditional society, individuals were more oriented towards other world than this world. The act of humans, right? Be that social, economic, political acts. The acts of women were very much, oriented towards, or act of humans was influenced by the belief in transcendence, other world, belief in theology, belief in religion, right? For example, the people born in third states as worker, agriculturalists, right? Merchant, traders, they used to believe in medieval Europe, during dark ages, if they are born in third state because of God's will, and so they have to, pay higher taxes for the welfare and luxury of the other two states, right? Of the monarch of the other two states, right? In Indian society too, transcendence, people used to believe that the birth is influenced by the past deeds. Those who are born in higher castes, higher stratum, They are born because of in higher stratum because of their past date. Those who are born in lower stratum, they were born because of past dates. Isn't it? Right? Because of God's will. Those who were born in lower stratum, they were punished by God. As a belief का traditional Indian society में. They are punished by God to serve others. And if they serve others, without any deviation, in next birth they will be born in higher stratum. Such was the belief actually. Right? So this is transcendence, belief in transcendence. People used to continue in particular occupation throughout the life, right? Caste-based occupations. In Indian society, you can observe, like in traditional society, there was caste-based occupation. Generation to generation involved in particular caste. As we in villages, you will find, or you can see, if generation to generation, the same occupation being followed, right? Because of the belief, isn't it? Right, and that is basically the continuity of tradition, right? Continuity of tradition. Okay, continuity again related to all these three. Continuity. Look, this continuity is basically opposite to change. Modern society is characterized by change, modernity and change. Modern society is characterized by change, rapid change. We have observed in modern society after Enlightenment, Renaissance, after French Revolution and Industrial Revolution, right? Rapid changes, transformational changes. That is the feature of modern society. Continuity is the feature of traditional society. Continuity is the feature of traditional society, right? In today's Indian society, we see continuity of many institutions, practices, beliefs, values from the past. So that is basically aspect of tradition. Dowry system still continues. That is aspect of tradition, right? Like sacramental marriage still continues. That is aspect of tradition, right? Continuity. अभी society में continue हो रहा है sacramental marriage also, right? Even if decisions are taken for marriage by individuals, like for sanctosanctity, religious sanctosanctity, sacramental marriage is arranged by the group, family, caste, right? So continuity is there, right? Continuity, like the practice of sati, continued for centuries in the past because of the belief in marital relation, right, is for civil life, not for a single life. ऐसा नहीं था कि like all women were forced for sati, right? They were belief actually, right? Continuity of those marital relations, social relation, that bond, that सात फेरे, है ना उधर marriage में सात फेरे, right? 7 promises, right? And promises are made for 7 lives. एक जन्म में नहीं, 7 births actually. Continuity, and because of that belief in continuity of relationship, practice and sati का practice continue, right? For centuries, right? आज भी आप देखते हैं ना, like you see, fasting, ceremonial fasting. Majorly, you will find women fasting on different ceremonies, right? Festivals like Karwa Chauth. There are different in different regions. There are different festivities, right? In the Jharkhand, Eastern UP, Chhat, fasting for 3 days, right? So women, they will find some men also not fast, but generally women fasting on these ceremonies, which is called ceremonial fasting, Karwa Chauth. Fasting for what? For long life of husband. Getting a point. Continuity of relations, right? So this is like what I meant to say. Belief. अब ऐसा belief कैसे है कि like ये सब religious belief है ना? कि fasting will ensure long life of husband or relationship, long life of relationship. If a husband is drunkard, alcoholic, right? तो फिर तो accident होगा ही, right? Problems होगा ही, disease होगा ही, right? So what I meant to say, but such beliefs are still continuous actually in our society. Like belief in transcendence is there कि ऐसा हो जाएगा, ठीक है? Like husband का अच्छा होगा, children का अच्छा होगा, right? Such beliefs continue actually in our society, right? These are the features of tradition, continuity. As we will see, like educational inequality was there in society of the past, and still inequality and disparity continues. The highest dropout rate from educational institution, if you observe, you will find scheduled castes. Dropout rate of scheduled caste is the highest at all levels of education. Tribal star dropout rate is the highest at all levels of education. And after that, women ka, adolescent girls, second highest dropout rate is of that of adolescent girls. Right? Now, somewhere, don't you think it is because of continuity of, that hierarchical inequality, right? Which still continues in the society. Getting a point. Tradition में जो था inequalities and all, right? So that is aspect of tradition actually. Otherwise, every member of society, as per the modern values, constitutional values, everyone should have equal opportunity for education and employment, right? So these are the themes on the basis of which we analyze tradition.